Love your carbs? No problem. We all love carbs. They are a staple in many of our favorite meals and bring us comfort and joy. Pasta, bread, rice, they're comforting and delicious. These foods have been part of our diets for centuries, providing us with energy and satisfaction. But sometimes, we eat too many. Overindulging in carbs can lead to feeling sluggish and can contribute to weight gain. That's where low-carb eating can be a game changer. By reducing our carb intake, we can still enjoy our meals while making healthier choices. It's not about giving up carbs completely. It's about finding a balance that works for you and your lifestyle. It's about making smart choices, feeling your best. When you choose low-carb options, you can maintain your energy levels throughout the day. Low-carb eating focuses on fresh, whole foods. These foods are not only nutritious, but also delicious and satisfying. Think veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These components create a well-rounded meal that keeps you full and nourished. These foods keep you full and energized. You won't feel deprived or hungry when you make the right choices. Plus, they're packed with nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your overall health. It can help you manage your weight, boost your energy, and even improve your skin. A low-carb diet can have numerous benefits for your body and mind. You don't have to sacrifice flavor. Low-carb meals can be just as tasty, if not more so, than their high-carb counterparts. Low-carb recipes burst with flavor. With the right ingredients and spices, you can create mouth-watering dishes. Trust me, you won't miss those extra carbs. Let's get cooking and discover the delicious world of low-carb eating together. Let's talk zoodles. They're zucchini noodles, a fun and healthy swap for pasta. Spiralize zucchini into long strands and voila zoodles. They're surprisingly satisfying and soak up sauces beautifully. My favorite zoodle dish? Zoodles with shrimp scampi. Sauté garlic and shrimp in olive oil, toss with zoodles and top with Parmesan cheese. Another winner is pesto chicken zoodles. Grilled chicken zoodles and a dollop of pesto, pure deliciousness. Cauliflower is a low-carb superstar. It's incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, making it a favorite among health enthusiasts and foodies alike. You can roast it to bring out its natural sweetness, rice it for a grain-free alternative, or even mash it for a creamy side dish. Cauliflower rice is a fantastic alternative to traditional rice. It's lower in carbs and calories, making it perfect for those watching their intake. Simply grate cauliflower florets or pulse them in a food processor until they resemble rice grains. It's quick, easy, and incredibly satisfying. Try my flavorful cauliflower fried rice. It's packed with vegetables and bursting with flavor. Sauté cauliflower rice with veggies, eggs, and soy sauce for a healthier take on a classic. You won't even miss the traditional version. Another favorite? Creamy cauliflower mash. Steam cauliflower until tender, blend it with butter and cream cheese, and season to perfection. It's a great substitute for mashed potatoes. It's comfort food without the carb overload. Perfect for family dinners or special occasions. Everyone will love it. Section 4, my low-carb journey. I used to crave carbs all the time, pasta, bread, you name it. But after incorporating more low-carb options into my diet, I felt a huge difference. More energy, less bloating, and my clothes fit better. One of my proudest moments? Making a low-carb lasagna for my family that they absolutely loved. They couldn't believe it was low-carb. It's all about finding delicious recipes that make you feel good. Section 5. Feeling good inside and out. Low-carb eating isn't just about weight management. It's about nourishing your body from the inside out. When you fuel your body with nutritious foods, you feel the difference. You'll have more energy to power through your day. Your digestion will improve, and you might even experience clearer skin and better sleep. It's about making sustainable changes that make you feel amazing. Section 6. Join the low-carb fun. Low-carb eating doesn't have to be restrictive or boring. In fact, it can be an exciting culinary adventure. It's about getting creative in the kitchen and discovering new favorites. Think of it as an opportunity to explore new recipes and ingredients. Start by swapping out a few carb-heavy meals with these delicious low-carb alternatives. For instance, try zucchini noodles instead of pasta or a cauliflower crust for your pizza. Experiment with different flavors and ingredients. Have fun with it. Use a variety of spices and herbs to enhance the taste of your dishes. You'll be surprised at how easy and satisfying it can be to embrace a low-carb lifestyle. It's not just about the food, it's about enjoying the process and the results. Get ready to love your meals and feel your best. With a little creativity and an open mind, you'll find that low-carb eating can be both delicious and fulfilling.